Hello, Peter here, your Pinoy accountant. So, very quick video lang. So, good news ito sa mga hindi nakapag-submit ng kanilang second quarter percentage tax return noong July 25. And if you are within noong mga RDOs na affected by the past typhoons, so mostly sa Luzon area, and then we also have in Palawan and Iloilo. So, if yung RDO nyo nabibilong doon, per RMC 75-2025, in-extend yung mga nag-fall na deadlines July 21, and yung kasali doon is the percentage tax nga na nag-fall noong July 25, and extend nila hanggang July 31 na yung deadline for the second quarter. So to check nyo, i-check nyo if yung RDO nyo is kasali doon. So i-open nyo na yung RMC 75-2025, and ilalagay ko din sa ating description box so that automatically mada-download yung PDF file nung RMC mismo. So ipapakita ko lang sa inyo yung RMC 75-2025. So ito na yung ating RMC 75-2025. So nakalagay dito yung mga list of RDOs, ayan yung mga affected areas ng typhoons. So Metro Manila, ayan nakalagay dyan. So i-double check nyo lang if yung RDO ninyo is nakalagay dito, naka-indicate dyan. If naka-indicate dyan, ibig sabihin, you are part of those who are granted extension of the deadline of the filing and the payment ng mga returns. So, ayan, provinces of Ilocos, Pampanga, Cavite, ayan, Marinduque, Albay, Aklan. So, i-check nyo lang yung inyong RDO again. And nakalist din dito yung mga forms or returns na affected. So, nakalagay dito, for example, ito yung mga quarterly information. OFW's remittances, ayan, exempt from the ST. So, yung due date niya supposed to be July 21. So, extended yan hanggang July 31. So, i-check nyo lang yung mga forms. Ayan, naka-indicate naman dyan. Ayan, mga SLP, SLI, SLS. Ayan, sworn statement, e-filing nung quarterly value-added tax. And dito na tayo sa 2551Q or the quarterly percentage tax return. So that is for the quarter ending June 30. So instead of July 25, na-extend yung deadline to July 31. So that is somehow good news sa mga hindi nakapag-submit noong July 25 dahil nga doon sa ating masamang panahon. So balik tayo sa ating presentation. So just a quick reminder lang, yung covered ng second quarter natin is April, May, and June. So if ever may mga nagtatanong kasi July na kayo nakapag-registered sa BIR ng inyong COR, July na. So hindi kayo covered ng ating second quarter. So sa third quarter na kayo magpa-file. So yung tax rate na gagamitin again is 3% of your gross sales or revenue. And yung pwede nyo lang i-deduct sa inyong gross sales and revenue is if ever may mga sales returns kayo, allowances and discounts. So yung iba nagtatanong, yung mga, paano daw yung mga expenses nila, yung cost of sales, pwede bang i-deduct yon? So the answer is no. So yung mga expenses niyo, yung mga cost of sales, pwede nyo i-deduct yan doon lang sa inyong income tax return. And if you are availing yung itemized deduction. So here is a short example lang of the computation. So it's very straightforward. Yung ating gross sales, for example, for the months of April, May, and June is 25,000. So multiply lang ninyo ng 3%. That would give you 750. So yung 750 is your quarterly percentage tax due for the second quarter. So again, yung form na gagamitin niyo is the 2551Q, and you can use yung EBIR form. Again, free to download lang yung EBIR form, and you can go to our description box. Ililink ko din yung website mismo ng BIR kung saan yung mada-download yung latest na EBIR form. So again, yun lang yung ating video for today. We just talked about yung extension ng deadline, especially sa mga hindi nakapag-file and hindi nakapagbayad ng kanilang mga nabanggit natin doon sa RMC kanina, yung mga forms na yon. May extension tayo hanggang July 31. So may 2 days pa tayo para so that we can file and pay our returns and the forms. So again, yun lang yung ating video for today. My name is Peter, your Pinoy accountant, and if you have some questions, Comment na kayo down below and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Pinoy Accountant. And of course, may free online courses tayo sa ating website, www.pinoyaccountant.com. And if you would want to support our channel, our website, you can go to our website. May page doon na donate page. So you can go to www.pinoyaccountant/donate. So again, thank you for watching and I'll see you in our next videos.